Infinitive phrases unveiled. Master your English grammar. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English grammar, and we will be focusing on a very special part of it: infinitive phrases. Understanding how to use infinitive phrases properly will help you speak English more naturally and effectively. Let's get started. Before we jump into infinitive phrases, it's important that we remind ourselves what an infinitive is. An infinitive is the base form of a verb, typically preceded by the word to. For instance, to learn, to eat, to go, are all examples of infinitives. Infinitives can be used in various ways in sentences, such as acting as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. Now that we know what an infinitive is, let's understand what an infinitive phrase is. An infinitive phrase consists of an infinitive and any modifiers or complements associated with it. This could include adverbs, direct objects, or noun phrases. An infinitive phrase can play different roles in a sentence: as a subject, a direct object, a subject complement, an adjective, or an adverb. To identify an infinitive phrase, look for this structure: to plus verb plus optional modifier, object, or complement. Here are some examples. I plan to read a book. To read a book is the infinitive phrase acting as a direct object. To walk in the park is a great pleasure. To walk in the park is the infinitive phrase acting as a subject. In English grammar, infinitive phrases perform a variety of functions in sentences. They can act as subjects: to err is human; direct objects: she loves to paint landscapes; subject complements: my ambition is to become a scientist; adjectives: this is the right book to learn English; adverbs: she left the room to make a phone call. And that wraps up our exploration of infinitive phrases. Remember, understanding and using these phrases correctly will improve your English writing and conversation skills. Keep practicing with different sentences and in different contexts. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Until next time, happy learning!